into lean principles. Okay. The lean principle is a set of principle defined by Toyota Motor Corporation. Okay. So they did for Toyota production system. The car company is there, no? So when they manufacture the car, they defined this process. Now it's used by many industry, mainly in the IT industry. Okay.
Okay.
But the main focus is provide maximum customer value and minimize the waste. Okay. So there I will talk about flow. Flow means work should continuously go from one stage to another stage. For example, requirement, then development, testing, okay, bug fixing, deployment, like that. So this is the flow, simple flow. If a developer is completed the work, the developer gave that further review to the lead. Lead is not available for 2 days BC. Then that's a time waster, right?
Yeah.
So then the flow is stopped like a river. So river is flowing. Okay, that means every day, every time it should go. Water should flow, right?
Okay. Yeah.
So if somebody is not doing the work, then it will be stopped. So this lean principles are always recommended to improve the flow. Okay.
Okay.
How quickly the things can work from one stage to another stage.
Mm,
The stages are development, testing, okay,
mm,
deployment, validation, all those things. Then
okay.
reduce inefficiency. If you are seeing something is inefficient, okay, then we need to reduce it. Okay.
Okay.
We'll talk about those examples. Third is
Okay.
create faster value to the customer. So for customer, we need to quickly give the value.
Okay.
So these are all the foundation of lean principle. Okay.
Okay.
So there are some 7 lean principles. Okay.
Mm, mm, mm,
So lean goal is deliver a right feature. So we need to
mm,
give the right feature at the right time with the
mm,
minimal waste through continuous improvement. These are all the 4 focus areas of lean. Okay.
okay.
Right feature is right product you give at right time with the minimum waste through continuous improvement. So let's see 7 principles. So in the interview, they may ask, what do you know about lean? Then they may ask, tell about 1 or 2 lean principle, how it is used in Agile. So
Okay.
when you learn about safe and all, no, safe is built on lean also. Okay.
Okay.
So now it's good to know this. Okay. One is eliminating the waste. This is the first one. Okay.
Mm,
First principle is eliminating waste. So waste is anything that is not creating customer value is waste. Okay.
okay.
So for example, unnecessary feature. So you are adding some feature, customers may not use it, then it's a waste.
Okay.
Then you are doing lots of documentation, nobody will be reading, that is waste. Okay. For example, if you are selling a product, if you are giving 200-page document, who will read it?
Correct.
So that is why currently the people will be giving small videos. Simple.
Okay.
So the customer can go and see that video. On some product, they won't give any document. Who gave documentation for a WhatsApp?
Mm,
Do you see WhatsApp documentation or Facebook documentation or
no.
Instagram? No.
Mhm.
So now the companies will develop intuitive products so that people can explore and learn easily, right? So excess documentation is waste. Task switching, if you are asking a developer to do different work every day, that's a waste of time. It's very difficult to catch up, right? Then if you see lots of defects and rework, it's a waste of time. So people should do the code first time itself good, right? So these are all the waste in software in terms of eliminating waste context. So we need to
Okay.
eliminate these things in the software.
Mm,
So what Scrum Master should do for this? So they may
okay.
ask, so as a Scrum Master, how will you implement lean principles? Then you can say, limit work in progress. So if a developer is working on 5 items on a day, it will be very difficult. You will be switching here, and all. So we need to limit the work in progress, maximum 2. That
Okay.
means at a time, a person can work on 1 item or 2 items so that he will finish it. Okay. If I open 5 tickets and I may not finish everything, I will be
Yeah.
switching here and there. Okay.
Yes.
That is first. Second one is remove unnecessary approval. So if you have 5 levels of approval, even for small things, we need to reduce it. Okay.
Okay.
Third one is reduce handoff between the teams. So consider one person is doing and giving to another person, and that person has to review and give it to another person. So you need to reduce it. So we can do pair programming or we can automate some reviews and all. Okay.
Okay.
So that way we can reduce the waste. This is first principle.
Mm-hmm.
Clear?
Yeah, clear.
Second is built-in quality. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So during the development itself, do all the quality checks. Don't wait at the end. That is called built-in
Gee,
quality.
on the reduce handoff time, can you explain one more time?
So giving from one person to another person. Handoff
For
means
example,
I am a developer. I am a
okay.
developer. I developed
Mm,
something. I am giving this to a lead. Okay, to
mm,
review
mm.
something. Okay,
Okay.
lead is giving that to architect for one more review.
Uh,
So
okay.
now I am giving this work to three people. Or before that, I will give this to my peer to review.
Okay. Mm,
So I am a
mm,
junior fresher.
mm, mm,
I have written a code. I am giving to my peer to review. Then
mm,
this is
mm,
going to lead for the review. Then it's going to architect for the review.
mm,
And
mm.
of changing the work to multiple people. Okay.
Okay.
So for that,
Okay.
I can do some code, static code analysis tool. So when I write the code, I can put there, it will scan it. Okay.
Mm,
So
mm,
one of the
mm.
tools is Sonar Cube. Okay.
Okay.
So that will scan all the code and tell what are the standards I am missing. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Second, I
Okay. They
can
understood.
use one lead to review the code and finish it, instead of
Mm.
involving multiple people. Okay.
Involving multiple people, we can reduce this
Time. We can
time.
reduce
Mm.
the time waster, right?
Okay. 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 That's.
Then built-in qualities, okay,
Mm,
introducing the quality aspects in the development itself instead of doing at the end. Okay.
mm, mm,
One is automated tests. Okay.
mm,
So if you have a regression test every day, it will run so that we can check whether we are doing good or not. Okay.
mm, mm, mm.
Second one is 1 minute. I'm recording it, right?
Yeah,
Yes.
it is recording. Yeah,
Recording, and you are seeing this mouse and all, no?
yeah,
I
yeah,
have
I
two
can see.
screens. I just want to ensure. Okay.
Yeah, I can see. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Fine. So automate the test so that everything will be run parallelly. Have a
Mm,
definition of done so that all the team members will check whether they are doing all the expected things or not. Okay.
mm, mm.
Ensure that the code review is done. Okay.
Okay.
So the built-in quality is preventing the defect rather than fixing the defect. Okay.
Mm, mm.
So these are all built-in quality aspects of Lean.
Okay.
Okay.
Mm,
Third one is create the knowledge. Okay.
mm,
Software development is learning. Okay. So for example, you conduct retrospective, use
mm,
spikes. Okay. The tech for POC.
mm.
So spike is technical analysis activity. Okay. So
Okay.
if something is not good, not clear, I recommend for POC. Inspect
Mm,
and adapt. Okay. So whenever
mm,
you are doing some work, see what went well, what did not go well.
mm,
Document the learning so that these things will be helpful for others. Okay.
mm,
Helpful.
mm,
Helpful for new joiners and the existing teamers. See, if you are documenting everything, if a new joiner comes, with the document itself, half of the time can be used for the
mm.
new joiner for learning. Otherwise,
Correct. Okay.
we need to assign a dedicated person to teach. Okay.
Mm, mm,
And
mm,
consider we have 10 modules. 10 modules were done by 10 people. Okay.
mm,
And
mm,
if you want to share the knowledge, if the document is there, so document can be in any form. This can be video, okay, checklist, template, whatever may be. Okay.
mm,
So
mm,
it
mm.
will be helpful for others to learn and onboard. So this will
Okay.
reduce the time, right?
Okay. Okay.
So create the knowledge. Okay.
Mm,
Success or failure. So even some mistake happened, if you document for this issue, this is the solution. The
mm,
same issue occurred, other person can take it and address it. Correct?
mm. Yeah. Correct.
This is the third lean principle.
Mm,
Fourth is defer design decisions. So we should not make a big decision for the design at the front. So because
mm.
Agile says requirement will be keep on changing. Okay. So
Okay.
that is why we need to do
Mm,
design. Okay. We should not to spend too much work for the design. Okay.
mm, mm,
We need to have a light design and keep on increasing. That is why if you know MVP, they will talk about minimum viable product in the market. So that means
mm, mm,
build minimum things, then evolve
mm,
from there. Okay.
mm, mm,
And keep options open. So keep multiple option. Okay. So instead of
mm.
one solution, keep multiple solution so that if something is not working, we can switch to other solution. Okay.
Okay.
So that will help to reduce the delay. Okay.
Mm, mm,
And use iterative exploration to keep it agile. So iteratively explore one by one, so that we will find a better solution. Okay, so this
Okay.
is fourth lean principle. Okay, defer
Mm, mm,
design decisions. Whatever
mm.
decisions we can defer for the design, defer it, delay it. Okay, if you design something, we need to build everything in the first time. Since
Oh,
in the agile world, we
mm,
have multiple design option and try and choose the best at the end. Okay.
okay.
So this is fourth. Okay.
Mm,
Fifth is deliver fast. So deliver fast means do small things and deliver it. Okay.
mm, mm,
So for example, if you are ordering something, okay, if you are
mm,
going to hotel, you are
mm,
ordering five
mm,
items to eat for
mm,
the entire family in the hotel restaurant. Okay.
mm, mm.
They can do two option. One is bringing everything at the end
Mm,
after preparing, or
mm,
serving one by one, right?
mm,
So
mm,
they
mm,
can give soup that will be ready. They can give starters. Then they can bring the main course, right?
mm, mm.
So that is what it will be fast. So we will be keep on getting. Okay, give small stories with the short sprints and continuous integration. Okay, if they want to deliver everything, then our wait time will be more.
Mm, okay.
And anyway, we won't eat all the things at the same time, right?
Mm,
So
mm,
that's why the small patches. Give
mm.
small things so that it will go slowly. If you know this McDonald's and all, no, so they will be
Mm.
keep on passing one by one, one by one, one by one. They won't wait
Okay.
for all the
Mm,
patches to complete. Okay.
mm, mm,
Then respect people. Okay. So
mm,
we need to empower the team. We need to allow them to self-organize. So self-organize like in the games, right? If you
mm,
consider
mm.
a football game, okay.
Okay.
Football game, so some people will be playing the center, some people will be left, some people will be right. If needed, everybody will run on all the places, correct?
Correct. Yeah.
Nobody
Mm,
will guide, nobody will tell that, hey, you go there and kick the ball like that,
mm,
okay?
mm,
So
mm.
we need to allow the team to self-organize whenever there is a need. We need
Okay.
to provide psychological safety. So people should feel safe to raise the issues. Okay.
Mm,
If
mm.
you question or corner if people are raising issue, then nobody will talk. So we need
Correct.
to ensure that. Okay. So we are giving the safe place for the people to talk. Okay.
Okay.
Then we should not do the micromanagement. So these are all
Mm,
recommendation. Okay.
okay.
So if you do, then people will feel safe. They will raise issues. Okay. And they will have a freedom. Okay. And they will have a motivation.
Mm,
So this is sixth lean principle.
okay.
Seventh is optimize the whole. Okay. So
Mm,
we
mm,
can't optimize one team. Okay. We
mm,
should optimize all. See, consider in the relay. Okay. Relay. Six people are running or four people are running. Relay race, no?
mm, mm,
If you want to win the game, all the people should run fast, right? Consider one
mm,
person is not at all running, all
mm,
three are doing good. You can't win, right?
mm,
So we need to
mm.
optimize the whole. That means everybody should perform well. Okay,
Okay.
if you have four teams building
Mm,
one product, if
mm.
one team is keep on introducing so much defect, then the product won't be good, right?
Correct.
So
Okay.
you need to ensure that okay, all the people are optimized. Okay, so we
Mm,
need to
mm,
remove cross team bottlenecks and
mm.
we need to improve end-to-end flow from start to end. Okay,
Okay.
so
Okay.
these are all seven lean principles. Okay,
Mm, mm,
any
mm.
question?
No, clear, bro.
Okay, I will give one example. Okay, so
Mm,
in the software, there is a fintech product team is building a loan approval system. So you know the loan approval now. So lots of process will be there. Okay.
mm, mm, mm,
Now, there are some problem observed in this product. Okay.
mm,
User stories carried forward every sprint. So team is not completing all the stories agreed in each sprint. Okay. There are lots
mm,
of spillovers
mm,
and lots of defects. Okay. Captured in each sprint.
mm,
Testing is taking more time. Okay.
mm, mm.
Business complaining about delay from the development team. So these are all the issues identified. Okay.
Okay. Mm,
Now, how we can apply lean? Okay, so
mm,
you in the interview they may ask, can you tell about a lean
mm.
principle you applied and the result? Okay, you can tell this. Okay, this story.
Okay. Mm,
Now, problem is testing delayed till end. Okay, this
mm,
is a long testing cycle. So what
mm,
do you do? Broke into smaller vertical slice. Okay, and
mm,
we got faster feedback. Okay, sorry,
mm.
first one.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
testing delayed. So we introduced the automation, and
Mm,
because of that, we reduced the defect. This is
mm,
one lean action and the output. Okay.
mm, mm,
Second is We have large user stories. Okay, so
Mm.
because of that, the team is not able to complete. So it's spilling over. So we split it into stories into small, so that we get a faster feedback. So this vertical slicing is splitting the story logically. Okay,
Mm, mm, mm,
it's like a birthday cake. Okay,
mm,
so
mm,
if birthday cake, you consider four layers are there. Okay, if you
mm,
cut
mm.
vertically, if you give one piece, each one will
Mm.
get the flavor of all layers. Correct.
Yeah.
That is the
Yes.
vertical slicing. If you
Mm,
cut layer by layer, some people will get only cream, right?
mm, mm,
Some
mm,
people will get one layer of the cake. That's not the thing. So when you split the user story, we need to
mm.
split in a way that that is working, that has end-to-end things. Okay.
Yes. Okay.
So user can get all
So
the benefit of functionality.
every user story should be meaningful delivery, like a value.
Correct. Meaningful, testable, and useful for the customers. That is why
Okay.
the
Mm.
vertical slicing concept is introduced. Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So large story, they split it vertically.
Mm, mm,
So now handoffs to separate QA team. Okay, so
mm,
now this QA team is separate. That is why the testing is increasing. Okay, now
mm.
we embedded the team into the development team. So now the cycle time reduced. Okay.
Okay. Mm,
So the result is sprint predictability improved. Okay, we were
mm,
able to predict how quickly we can deliver the value.
mm,
Defects reduced.
mm.
Stakeholder satisfaction increased. This is what example of applying lean principle.
Okay. Okay.